So there what we got it. So n is equal. So this is second equation, right? N is equal to n1 into e power kt. So what about that when t is equal to 9 hours? And t is equal to 9 hours. So that is nothing but simply we can write n is equal to n1 into e power k into 9. So that is nothing but n1 into e power 9 into k and n raised to number. So k is nothing but 1 by 3 log 2. So this is the value of k. So here it is. This is 3 3s. And then simply what we got it n1 into e power 3 log. 3 log. So this is equal n1 into e power. So this is nothing but how can you write m log a is nothing but log a power m. So this is equal to n1 into. So e power log a is nothing but log a. Sorry, a. So that is simply we can write 2q. So that is 8n1. So n is equal 8n1. So therefore simply what we can write after 9 hours bacteria in a culture becomes 8 times the initial number. Okay, so 8 times the 9 hour the at 9 hours the initial number has 8 times present. Okay, so talk next question. The rate at which bacteria multiply is proportional to the instantaneous n number present. If the original number doubles in 2 hours. When it will be tripled. Or same question, how many hours will be tripled? So same question they may ask that one, or when it will be tripled, or simply they may ask how many hours will it triple? So what is the difference between previous all problems and this problem? Only one difference. What is that? So what is the difference? So previous all problems we calculated number of bacteria, but here it is what they are asking to calculate time. They ask them when it will be tripled. So at what time the number of bacteria will be tripled. So n they mentioned, t we need to calculate, and previous all problems we calculated only number of bacteria, and this is nothing but complete statement they mentioned. So the number of bacteria is proportional to the amount of substance, that is nothing but number of bacteria present. If the original number doubles in 2 hours, we don't know that original number, and same like as previous problem, we have to choose the original number as n1. Okay, so here it is. First we can write the statement dn by dt is proportional to, this is n. and then dn by dt is equal. So k n, and by variable separable, simply we can write dn by n is equal to k dt. And next, integrating on both sides, simply we will get it as log n is equal to kt plus log c, kt plus log c. And next, take that log c into this side, log n minus log c is equal kt. And this is in the form of log a minus log b. Simply we can write log a by b is equal kt, and n by c is equal kt, so e power kt by logarithms, and n is equal c e power kt. So this is as usual for every problem. So n is equal c e power kt. So let me take it as 1. Now, so if the original number, so we don't know that original number. So for that, simply we are assuming as when time t is equal to 0, the original number I am choosing as n1. So n is equal to n1. Now, you can substitute that one in equation 1. So n is equal c into e power k into 0. And here it is, n is nothing but what we chosen initially, n1. So n1 is equal to how much? C. And next, substitute this one in equation 1. Then we'll get it as n is equal to n1 into e power kt. Let me take it as this is equation 2. Now we take that one. So second one, what they mentioned, if the original number doubles in 2 hours, so it will double in 2 hours is nothing but when t is equal to 2 hours, it has doubled. So that is nothing but the original number we chosen as n1. So doubled is nothing but 2n1. Now you can substitute this one in equation 2. So from equation 2, so substitute in equation 2. So here equation 2 is nothing but n is equal to n1 into e power kt. So n is nothing but what? 2n1 is equal to n1 into e power kt. So here it is n1, n1 both will cancel. And then 2 is equal to e power k into time in them. So time t equal to 2 hours. So that is 2 is equal to e power 2k. And now we can take log on both sides. Then simply what we can write, log 2 is equal to log e power 2k. And then log 2 is equal to, so this is simply log a power m, and we can write it as m log a. So log 2k log e, and log 2 is equal to 2k. Since log e is equal to 1, so that implies k is equal to 1 by 2 log 2. So k value I got it here, 1 by 2 log 2. Now we take another one. So here it is what they mentioned, when it will be tripled. It means time we don't know that. So when n is equal to, so tripled, that is nothing but n is equal to 3n1. We have to find t. So for that, from equation 2. So from equation 2. So what about equation 2? N is equal to n1 into e power kt. N is equal to n1 into e power kt. So that is simply what we can write. So n is equal to how much? 3n1, right? So 3n1 is equal to n1 into e power ktm. So here it is n1 and n1 both will cancel. So 3 is equal to e power kt. But I required t. So for that, simply taking log on both sides. So log 3 is equal to log e power kt. Log e power kt. And then log 3 is equal to, this is in the form of log a power m, and simply we can write m log a. So kt into log e, and then log 3 is equal to kt, since log e base equal to 1. And then, so I require the value of t. So for that, t is equal to log 3 by k. So t is equal to log 3 by, so k and m. So k is nothing but 1 by 2 log 2. And then this 2 goes to numerator, t is equal to 2 log 2 by log 3. 2 log 2 by log 3. So t is equal, if you calculate this one, what you got it? So 3.2 hours. So 3.16 hours, that is nothing but simply we'll say that T is approximately how much? 3 hours. So within 3 hours, that number of bacteria will be tripled. So that is the one. Same, just like as Newton's law of cooling. T, how we calculated, same like that here we have to calculate. Okay. So there and here, same pattern looking like as same thing. Okay. So this is the one solving of T. If they mention N, here it is 2 log 3. 2 log 3 by log 2. 2 log 3 by log 2. Then only we'll get this. Okay. 2 log 3 by log 2. And don't forget it once again, I'm saying that you are completely using in calc ln button. Don't use LOC button. So LOC button is nothing but base 10m. So ln is nothing but base e. We are using natural logarithm, not base 10. Okay. So in your calc, when you're calculating, you have to use ln. Don't forget it. Either it may be Newton's law of cooling or it may be law of natural growth or decay. In both the cases, we are using ln, not LOC. Okay, keep in mind this one. Okay, this is the way you need to find T. If they mention N, we can find T. If they mention T, we can find N. So these are the problems on law of natural growth. If you observe that most all the problems they mention in growth only, they didn't mention in that decay. So all problems, if you observe that, all they give only growth. Okay. Now, so one problem I'll give that. So you can do it that problem as homework. Okay. So just